Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change the background color of our photo using Photoshop application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our Photoshop application, and after that we're going to select a photo. We want to change the background color on, and for instance I'm going to change the background color of this photo. So we can click on the photo, then we can go to the background option or the background section right here, just like the background. Then here you can choose the color you would like to apply to your photo. For instance, I'm gonna go with this color. Once you're done, you just need to save this photo. Then the photo will be saved to your gallery, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can change the background color of our photo using Photoshop application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.